Next, tangents and secants to a circle in that chapter. Now we will learn one theorem. That theorem is prove that tangents to a circle at end points of a diameter are parallel. Solution. So draw a circle. It is a circle of center with O. Through O, draw a diameter, that is AB. From a point A, one tangent is passing. Let the tangent CD. From B, another line is passing. It is also called tangent. It is called EF. We have to prove that CD is parallel to EF. End point of diameters are parallel. So it is a CD is one tangent, EF is another tangent. Tangent is nothing but the line which touches a circle at only one point, that is called tangent. The line which touches a circle at two distinct points, that is called a tangent. For example, so it is a circle. Through this circle, a line is passing through and point of contact is 1. So it is called tangent. For example, draw another circle. So draw a line. So this line touches the circle in two different points. That is why it is called a secant. It is called a tangent. We have to prove that CD is parallel to EF. Given O is center of a circle. O is center of a circle, comma, AB is diameter. CD line passes through A and EF passes through B. So when it is passes through C, it is a CAB, DAB, both are linear pairs. Angle CAB, this is the angle, plus DAB, angle DAB, that equal to linear pair of angles is equal to 180 degrees. When we are coming from down, angle EBA plus EBA, this angle FBA plus angle FBA equal to 180 degrees. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, 180 are equal. Therefore, angle CAB plus angle DAB, angle CAB plus angle DAB, as well as angle EBA plus angle FBA. So these all the angles are equal. That means this angle is equal to this angle and this side angle is equal to this side angle. So alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore alternate interior angles are equal. When the alternate interior angles are equal, so we know that the two lines must be parallel. CD is parallel to EF, hence proved. From this also any tangent passing through a circle, we can prove that that point of contact is 90 degrees. Linear pair, total 180 degrees. There are totally two angles are there, that equal to 90 degrees. Point of contact of a line to a circle to its radius is 90 degrees. So we can prove this point of contact of a tangent to a circle, it is 90 degrees from the radius, otherwise it is perpendicular to the radius. Next theorem is length of tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. We are drawing a circle. O is a center of a circle. Let this point be P. From P, draw a tangent which touches the tangent at A. From P, draw another tangent to a circle which touches the circle at B. O is center of a circle, join OA and OB. Join PO. Already just now we proved that the point of contact of a circle of tangent to the radius is 90 degrees. It is radius, PA is tangent, so there will be 90 degrees. OB is radius, PB is a tangent, touching a circle at a point of contact is 90 degrees. So from this we can prove that this theorem given O is center of a circle, OA equal to OB equal to radius of a circle, PA and PB are two tangents. PA and PB are two tangents. Next, join PO. When you join PO, so there are formed two triangles are formed. So one triangle is POA and other triangle is POB. Consider triangle POA. If you see here in triangle POA, at A 90 degrees, 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square PO square equal to PA square plus AO square. Let it is equation 1. Next, consider triangle POB. Consider triangle POB. At B 90 degrees, 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square that equal to PO square equal to PB square plus BO square. It is equation 2. In equation 1 PO square, in equation PO square. From equation 1 and 2, we get PA square plus AO square equal to PB square plus BO square. So PB square plus BO square, PO square, both are PO square are equal. So PA square plus OA square, see here, PO square, PA square plus AO square, PA square plus AO square, this can be written as PO square equal to PO square. PO equal to PO. So it is a common side. One right angle triangle, angle PAO equal to angle PBO equal to 90 degrees. OA equal to OB, that is same radii, by SAS congruency, triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. PO equal to PO already we proved, OA equal to OB already, that is radius already we proved. Next, first and third letters, PA equal to PB, hence proved. So these two are the important theorems from a tangents and secants to a circle.